Welcome back to another video. Today we have this club car and looks like we're having some terminal issues here. So I'm just going to quickly repair it, maybe clean it up a little bit and show you guys how to do that. I've never used this before, but let's give it a shot. Oh man, that's crazy. Let's try here. Man, that's crazy. I'm gonna add some water. Make sure you do this in an area where you can, because this is obviously gonna have to go somewhere. Preferably, probably had to do distilled water, but I'm kind of limited on supplies right now. I'm gonna try to spin this nut. Oh, well, guess it's already loose. And get this cable to the side. And I'm just gonna replace this whole cable. Oh man, with good reason, look at that. Careful with the other end so it doesn't spark. Let's lay it down for a sec. This end, that is. Let's try prying up on it. Yep, there we go. Oh man. There we go. There's the other piece. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this one too. And again. Kind of rinse that off. What I want to do here is get the old cable, kind of match it up, and try to cut the same length off. And I'm just going to kind of go around and try to strip this. Same thing with this one, or this side. Okay. Now what I want to do is cut some heat shrink. Not too much. About that's okay. And another little piece. I'll show you guys now in a little bit. And I'm going to get these ends and kind of twist it. Oh man. All right. I'm going to clean up these little strands. Open up this hydraulic crimping tool, and we're going to grab our right measurements, which 2 gauge is perfect. And here's what I'm going to do. Just going to squeeze it, and this is going to squeeze down on it. Perfect. And then we can release it, and then we have our wire right here. Just gonna put our heat shrink through. Just put it right there. And with our heat gun, or if you have a lighter, there we go. We got one end. On the opposite end, make sure that you put your heat shrink first. If not, you're not going to be able to put it on afterwards. And we do the same thing here. Just gonna clean the area a little bit more. Wipe it down. And I'm gonna use this battery terminal protection spray. And I wanna do top and bottom. There we go. Then you're gonna put the nut on, and I only have a nylock one. You probably don't want to use one of those. There we go. And then I want to spray the top as well. All right, we'll do the same thing on the rest of them. And that's all I have for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up off camera. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.